car absolutely rips on the street. Like the bootloader swap that we do transforms the car. Like it's night and day different. Like the launch is so violent, it's great.
Local MK8 Golf R. Guy wanted our TCU tune. His car had the 401 bootloader, so not flashable. We've had the 301 solution for the last year and a half now for the TCU tunes on these MK8s. So he wants to do that. So we're going to take out the mech, take off the 401 bootloader, put the 301 on, flash it, and give him a TCU tune, but he's also getting ECU tune done with it, and he had a aftermarket intercooler upgrade that he's been meaning to install, and we just said, sure, we'll do it, because we're going to throw it on our dyno afterwards, see what kind of numbers it makes. Was that good? I don't even remember what I said.
This is essentially what a bootloader is and what is required to tune your MK8 if it's a GTI or an R. If you were unfortunate enough to get I think it was 2022 was the last one with the tunable TCU, so if anything from up has a locked one. I think it was about a year and a half ago we came out with this solution, long before pretty much anyone else. Now, we took our yellow MK8 GTI to the track last year. We still hold the record for that in the quarter mile, and that's all thanks to one of these. The reality of the situation is these cars are not going to have an OBD flashable TCU anytime soon. The encryption on these is a lot more robust than previous cars, and right now, if you want to go fast, this is the only way to tune your DHD. So our solution is for both GTI and R. It's about 1,800 USD, and we'll get one of these prepared for you here, and then we'll ship it out to you, and then you can install it either yourself or you take it to a shop that knows their way around a DHD. It's no more invasive than doing a downpipe, in my opinion. You don't even have to take the front bumper off. You literally just take the front cover of the DHD off, obviously drain the fluid first, take the mechatronic out, put that on the bench, swap this guy, and then put it all back together and fill the fluid up as normal. So yeah, if people are serious about going fast, do it. All finished, relatively short and sweet, at least on my part. I mean, obviously T-Pep's had a little bit more work for himself with this one. Happy with the results for a Stage 1 Plus. Made 372 and 340 foot-pounds of torque, which is a good gain, right in line of where they should be. Car absolutely rips on the street. I mean, our mainline dyno is a bit of a heartbreaker. It really is, and it feels a lot faster than what the figures on the graph say. But it picked up everywhere. The DSG, like the bootloader swap that we do, transforms the car. Like, it's night and day different. Like, the launch is so violent. It's great. So I think he'd be really happy with the results, and hopefully we'll see him at the drag strip this summer, and maybe he'd be ready to go like big turbo at some point.
Good.